Hi! How to restart the Canon PIXMA TS5151 printer. There are two ways. The first option is manually. Turn the printer off. Press and hold down the cancel button and the power button simultaneously. After the green indicator light turns on, release the cancel button and press it 4 times without releasing the power button to complete the reset process. Done. The second option. On the printer panel, use the buttons with arrows to navigate to the settings section and then press OK. Once there, select the settings. Now select device settings. Locate the reset settings and press the OK button to initiate the reset process. Scroll down to the section labeled Reset All and press OK button. Follow through by agreeing to initiate the reset process. Choose Yes. Okay. That's it. The full printer reset process is complete. Thank you for watching. You'll find more tips for your printer in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.